Hi, I'm Ellen Adams for About.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make peach dumplings. I've got some beautiful peaches here, and the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to peel them. You could use a paring knife if that's what you have, but I like to use a potato peeler. It goes a lot faster. Okay. All right, so I just turned the peach in my hand, and as you can see, the skin comes right off. Now this recipe calls for sliced peaches, so I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get around that pit that's on the inside. Now when you're cutting things that are round, what I like to do is cut off a piece on the bottom and tip it up. Now it's nice and flat. And there is one peach slice. So from here you just cut slices until you feel the resistance of the pit, which is right there. Now I'm going to turn it again and start down my other side. Again till I feel the pit, kind of cut around it a little bit, flip it over. And you can see I've got beautiful slices coming off. And once you get basically the pit surrounded, trim it off a little bit, and basically what you're going to be left with, the pit. All right, so I've cut up 2 to 3 cups of sliced peaches, and now we're going to cook them. So I have 2 cups of hot water. I'm going to add that to my saucepan. Okay. I have a cup of sugar. And a tablespoon of butter. All right, and now I'm going to add my peaches right into that. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and in the meantime, I'm going to make the dumpling batter. Okay. For our dumplings, I have 1 cup of flour. Next, I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and if you wanted to add a little sugar, you could. And then to make it into a batter, I have half a cup of milk. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there while I'm stirring it. As you can see, it's coming together nicely. I've got a nice batter going here. And the next step is to drop this by spoonfuls right on top of our boiling peaches. The next step is to take some of your batter, and I like to use 2 tools. I have a spoon and a spatula, and you're going to drop it right onto your boiling peaches. This is going to be our dumpling. And try and keep it together in a little ball, just like that. And put it right on top. I think I can probably get 4 or 5 out of this. There we go. All right, I have my dumplings on top of the peaches. Now the next step is to put a cover on it, let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to turn that down a little bit because they're already boiling, but in 20 minutes we'll have peach dumplings. Our peach dumplings are done, so let's take a look. Ooh, oh, they look gorgeous. All right, so this is going to serve 4 to 6 people, depending on how big of eaters they are. But you take your peaches with that beautiful dumpling right on top and spoon the peaches around it. They're all caramelized and beautiful. Oh, smells really good too. There we go. You could put a little drizzle right over the top. There you have peach dumplings. For more recipes like this, check out About.com.